Add punctuation at the end of every sentence. 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 Sister Zhang. Northeast Center, right? Yes. I'll come down from there. I don't know. Sister Zhang. Good. Cheeky V5. 16x2C28. 6000. Titan. LX800. Pro 360. Water-cooled knives are also quite high-end. I wiped it. This design is quite strong. Front opening method. Y70. To right. Okay. You just said yes, right? How much? 24,000, right? Return 23,000. Without graphics card. Around 23,000 to 24,000. Probably 23,000. Then change it to another one. If you get another graphics card, that's 30,000. 30,000 big machines. I want 38,000. But let me think about it. This chassis is in the country. There is no warranty. The chassis itself is nothing. Except for one more screen. No warranty required. But you have an extra big screen. Possible. If you do this. Because you have a screen here. Right. Then I'll take care of it. Just go this way. Of course now itself. No need now. It's been a long time. I guess you just... No. I'm very dedicated. TX1300. Your power supply. Still so long. Long line of power. The power supply is really big. What kind of black dragon are you? Or what? Magic Dragon. Magic Dragon. The sound here is so comfortable. Magic Dragon. Looks like a little magic dragon. Especially for the heart.